motherfuckers, we're back. Motherfucking sizzled meat time. What do you think we got this time? New kind of meats. These are fucking chicken meats I breaded myself. Look at that, that's fucking cornflakes, fucking spices. The spices are just burning their flesh. And we're gonna fucking sizzle. Oh my god, get them all on there. Fucking sizzle. Ah, we don't have enough room for all the sizzle. Fuck. Well, I guess that's good enough for now. And we'll just get these bitches going. And as usual, we got shit in this fucking oven, baking up, you know, the fucking potatoes. Fuck you. You better enjoy that hot oil, cause you're gonna be sitting on there for about fucking 5 minutes, bitch. So we'll fucking be back. You fucking chicken shit little motherfuckers. Yes, we're back. And they've been sizzling for about 5 fucking minutes. Bitch, we're gonna flip these over, see how they look. Oh yeah, they've been sizzled on one side. Don't want to get them too sizzled. Don't want them fucking burnt. Oh fuck. Kind of fucked up that one by pulling the fucking breading off. Fuck. That's okay. We'll deal with it. Oh, you fuck, it's all your fucking fault. Fuck you. Oh my god. Alright, well, we'll let these chicken shits fucking sizzle for a little bit longer. And then we'll show the final fucking result. Motherfucker, it's gonna be so fucking good. Yeah. Okay, motherfuckers, we're back and the meal is complete. These fucking chickens, they don't go buck anymore, cause they got their fucking noses cut off. Fuck. So we got the fucking potatoes as well. They've been roasted like ever. You got the ketchup with the fucking pepper, that's what I always do. I don't even have to tell you, those are great, always. But we got the spicy cornflake breaded chicken fingers, and we're gonna use this fucking sweet and sour to dip. And that's straight up the best. You think I'm sweet? Well, I'm motherfucking sour too, bitch. Oh my god. The outside might be crispy, but it's fucking juicy. It's perfectly fucking sizzled. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Well, you know what? Hold on. Oh god, that's so good. You know what we need to fucking wash this down with? This is what a real man drinks with his fucking meal. After he fucking sizzled. Fuck you. Chicken is fucking dead, bitch. That's it. Hope you love the fucking sizzle, motherfucker.